Here's a gecko I rarely show off. Not because I don't like him or I don't think he's cool. It's just not much interest in these guys. He's a Blizzard Enigma possible het bell produced by Kelly Hammock from Hiss, and I've had him for several years now. Um, I've never bred an Enigma, and it wasn't because of the whole syndrome thing and whatnot. It's just I only breed one or two females at the most, and I've never had um, the opportunity to breed them. Um, I'd really like to someday, just to see if he's het bell, and he doesn't have any of the syndromes that you hear about, and he's very calm. Very relaxed gecko. Probably one of the most relaxed, chilled out ones I've ever had. He just will sit there and peek his head out of the hide box, looking at me whenever I come by his bin. I don't know if this is picking up the little yellow accents he has on his cheeks, and his obviously you can see it on his back. Look at this dinosaur, man.